This video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called SUS or SASA. Now, this video is only for educational purposes, of course. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you the visualization of how damaging this ransomware is. Before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this SUS ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So this is actually what happens. You try to open the specific file and you get a message indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with this SUS additionally appended extension. The same applies to all other files. You can also clearly see that the desktop background has been changed, and this ransomware note pops up indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery in the amount of $100 in bitcoins. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. Don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately. We recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may also be damaged by this ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and then start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So after the anti-malware database by Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. This feature, however, is a part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution for protecting your data.